Alright, today we're going to talk about circles and the parts of circles and what makes up circles. These are the main vocabulary terms related to circles: radius, chord, diameter, and circumference. I'm hoping that you're looking at the circle and you're like, oh yeah, I remember what these are. So let's talk about the first one. The first term is the radius, and the radius of a circle is the line that goes from the center of a circle, this being the center, out. So the white line right here is the radius. Next vocab term is chord. And a chord is a line segment that goes from one side on a circle to another side. It can go through the center of a circle, but there's a special name for that one. So we're just talking about this one right here, right now. Okay, the next vocab term is diameter. The diameter of a circle is a line segment that goes from one side on a circle to another side on a circle, but has to go through the center. So it has to go through that center point, and that would be this black line right here. So that is the diameter of the circle. And our last vocab term is the circumference of the circle. And the circumference of the circle would be the distance going around the outside of the circle. And that would be like one revolution of the circle. If the circle would roll, how far or how much going around the circle you would be able to measure. Okay, so circumference is kind of like perimeter when we have perimeter of a square or perimeter of a rectangle. So if you want to think of circumference as perimeter, you could think of it that way too.